Okay, good morning guys. On this video I'm going to show you I'm going to explain to you how to use or what is sort function in Google Sheet. If you never know, the sort is actually the natural function or natural operation of filter. This one is Google Sheet. Now this one I want to demonstrate to you the natural filter operation. I just drag this AB column and then I create a filter, and then I can sort A to Z or Z to A. Also works for numbers. A to Z means from the small, and then Z to A means descending. This one the natural operation using filter button over here, but in Google Sheets we can do it using a function called sort. Now I want to deactivate the filter first. Then and then wait a minute, you just hit equal to sort row of range by specified columns, and then which range you want to sort. For example, here I have this AB column, and then I just drag only the data, not the header, because the header will be included if you drag from the header to the last of your data. Now I sort A2 to B7, and then which column you want to sort. For example, I want to sort the first column, so I put one number, and then is it ascending or descending? It means ascending means from the small, or from A, or descending is from the largest, or from Z. Now for example, I want to ascending, so I put 1 and then close the bracket and then hit the enter. Now I have the data already sorted by the condition I explained before. Now if you want, you have to put the header. Just copy and then paste over here, paste values only, and then now I want to demonstrate if I sort from the number column or the B columns. I just edit this one into the sort column of the second column, so I put 2. Now I have my data sorted by number ascending. That's it. The simple explanation of sort function. This one is very powerful, but you have to know that is it not just can do but for one column, but you can sort by 2 columns or 3 columns or 4 columns and then so on. This one is very good function. Okay, I hope it's helpful for you. If you have any question, please put on the comment below. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.